Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I prepare a delicious protein shake. Stick around, let's make this together. Alright guys, so the first ingredient that we're going to put in the blender is this almond coconut blend, unsweetened, so it doesn't have any sugar, but it does have 2 grams of protein. 1 serving size is 1 cup, but I'm using 2 servings. Alright, the next ingredient that we are going to add is 1 banana. I'm going to add a whole banana. It does have 2 grams of protein and it's a little high on calories. It has 198 calories and it does have 28 grams of sugar. So if you're watching your sugar, you need to be careful with this. Maybe only put half a banana, or it's up to you if you just want to skip the banana. Next, we are adding some peanut butter. This one has 190 calories per serving. 1 serving is 32 grams or 2 tablespoons. It does have 7 grams of protein and only 2 grams of sugar, so this is really good. Now it's time to add one of my favorite ingredients. This is going to make your shake taste so delicious. It has 60 calories per serving. 1 serving is 1 tablespoon. And lastly, we are going to add my plant-based, of course vegan, protein powder. Chocolate flavor. It does have 230 calories and it has 22 grams of protein. And my dinner is ready. Yes! 758 calories, 33 grams of protein. I'm going to enjoy it now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it now so you don't miss out on new videos every week. I will see you guys next time.